How to change age in Epic Games account. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your age that you set up on your Epic Games account. Now, unfortunately, changing birth date or age on Epic Games official website specifically for their settings feature is not actually listed one right here. Now, your last resort is to have it changed via their support. Once you get here, ensure that you're logged in so that you can connect with a live support agent. Click on this option here to say support, and then onto the next page. All I have to do is just to scroll down, and then on the box, just simply type in change age and hit on enter. Now, from the Epic Support Assistant, all I have to do type in into the box is just simply type in I want to change my birth date, and then you will be given out a conversation from the Epic support assistant. You're just gonna have to follow on-screen prompts right here, and then you will also be given out answer sources. And if this does not help you, you're just gonna need to choose on yes, that saying that you would like to speak with a member of their support team, and then choose on yes. And then this is the most convenient way of changing your birth date or your age in Epic Games account because that specific settings or feature is not actually added onto their account settings. And that's it. That's how you change your age in your Epic Games account.